Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make this wonderful PowerPoint slide in a very easy way. Firstly, insert a rectangle shape. Now duplicate it 3 times using Ctrl+D and place them side by side. Select all the 4 rectangles and group them. Now place the group in the corner and extend it to cover the entire slide. Ungroup it. Now remove the shape outline. Change the color of each of the shape as per your requirement. I'm trying to give a bluish texture to my slide, so I am using various variants of blue. Now insert a small triangle. Rotate it right 90 degrees. Remove the outline of the triangle. Now, adjust its position like this. Make 3 copies of it and place them beside the other 3 rectangles. I'll change the color of the triangles according to the colors of the respective rectangles. Now enter texts in the 4 rectangles as per the requirement. Now select the individual rectangle with its respective small triangle and text boxes and group them. It is suggested to start the grouping from the rightmost rectangle. Now duplicate the slide. Go to the first slide and arrange the grouped rectangles in the way I am doing right now. Now insert your main heading in this slide. Go to the second slide and give a morph transition to it. Now go to the first slide and click on Slideshow. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.